Ted's Woodworking Plans Reviews. Ted's Woodworking Plans is a website that offers a collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans. The plans cover a wide range of projects, from simple birdhouses to complex furniture pieces. Ted's Woodworking Plans claims that their plans are easy to follow, even for beginners. They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their plans risk-free. So, is Ted's Woodworking Plans a scam or legit? In this video, we will take a closer look at Ted's Woodworking Plans and provide our honest review. Make sure to visit the official website to buy Ted's Woodworking Plans and avoid all scams or cheap knockoffs. Link in description. What is Ted's Woodworking Plans? Ted's Woodworking Plans is a website that offers a collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans. The plans are all created by Ted McGrath, a master woodworker with over 30 years of experience. Ted's Woodworking Plans claims that their plans are easy to follow, even for beginners. They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their plans risk-free. What are the benefits of using Ted's Woodworking Plans? There are several benefits to using Ted's Woodworking Plans. First, the plans are very comprehensive. They include detailed step-by-step instructions, as well as diagrams and pictures. This makes it easy to follow the plans, even if you are a beginner. Second, Ted's Woodworking Plans cover a wide range of projects. This means that you are sure to find a project that interests you, regardless of your skill level. Third, Ted's Woodworking Plans are very affordable. The cost of the plans is just $67, which is a fraction of the cost of hiring a professional woodworker. What are the drawbacks of using Ted's Woodworking Plans? There are a few drawbacks to using Ted's Woodworking Plans. First, the plans are not always up to date. This is because Ted McGrath is constantly adding new plans to the website. As a result, some of the plans may be outdated and no longer accurate. Second, some of the plans can be difficult to follow. This is especially true for beginners. The plans can be very detailed, and it can be easy to get lost. Third, Ted's Woodworking Plans does not offer any support for their customers. This means that if you have any questions about the plans, you will have to figure them out on your own. Is Ted's Woodworking Plans a scam? There are some people who claim that Ted's Woodworking Plans is a scam. They say that the plans are not worth the money, and that they are difficult to follow. However, there is no evidence to support these claims. In fact, there are many satisfied customers who have used Ted's Woodworking Plans to create beautiful woodworking projects. If you are looking for a comprehensive collection of woodworking plans that are easy to follow, then Ted's Woodworking Plans is a great option. How do I get started with Ted's Woodworking Plans? To get started with Ted's Woodworking Plans, you first need to create an account on their website. Once you have created an account, you can purchase the plans that you are interested in. The plans will be delivered to your email inbox in PDF format. Once you have received the plans, you can start building your project. Ted's Woodworking Plans provide step-by-step instructions and detailed drawings and diagrams to help you along the way. Ted's Woodworking Plan Pricing. Ted's Woodworking Plans offers a one-time payment of $67 for access to their entire collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. They also offer a DVD option for $79.95. Ted's Woodworking Plan Refund Policy. Ted's Woodworking Plans also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Conclusion for Ted's Woodworking Plans reviews. Overall, we believe that Ted's Woodworking Plans is a legitimate product. The plans are well written and easy to follow, even for beginners. The plans cover a wide range of projects, so you are sure to find something that interests you. And the price is very affordable. If you're looking for a comprehensive collection of woodworking plans, then we recommend Ted's Woodworking Plans. Make sure to visit the official website to buy Ted's Woodworking Plans and avoid all scams or cheap knockoffs. Link in description.